welcome to the Crypto Market Lens. My name is Dave, and I want to talk with you about the current price action, what's going on with Bitcoin and crypto, where we're standing, where we're heading, and let's go into it. So we are at the moment on the Bitcoin pair on the 1 week. I have marked up the 50 weekly moving average and the 200 weekly moving average, also the 50 weekly moving average, but the most important is obviously the 50-week moving average. At the moment we are below it, so not looking good. At the previous cycle and the current cycle, we hold it always as support. Now we broke it, so nothing new, no new news. So but where are we heading from here? Are we heading into a new high, or are we heading straight into the bear market? So in my opinion, we are heading more to the downside. The trend will continue, but I will elaborate more on this later in the price action. Here you can see also the open interest, the volume, and the RSI. So, but I will go later more into price action because I want to go first with you more on the overview of the cycle overall. So you guys already know into the crypto race, I think so, and we have the market cycle ROI, and as you know, the market cycle delivers us diminishing returns. As you can see, the cycle from 2017, 21, and the current cycle, we need to get more and more precise with our entries and our exits. And at the moment, it looks like the 4-year cycle presented as the last cycle. So if we don't get a new all-time high, the cycle is finished. And if that's so, we are heading more and more to the downside, obviously also with some small relief rallies, but the trend will continue. What I'm personally very closely watching and is the supply and profit and loss. Depends on in which camp you are. You can say we are heading here into the market meeting point in the mid. So if you are a 4-year cycle believer, you think we are heading straight into the capitulation event where we here in the meeting point where the Bitcoin price will bottom out. If you think the 4-year cycle is broken and we are not heading into a bear market, you're more a believer of we are more here. So you can see here we having our first head into the meeting point, and like here in the 2021 cycle where we had the local bottom and headed back into the slightly higher high slash double top. And yeah, depending on which camp you are, you think we are here and we have a really nice rally ahead of us. If you think I'm at the 4-year camp and it's like always, you think we are right around here and we are heading into the meeting point and we'll finish the capitulation event right around half year next year. So July, October next year, we will see. And yes, but I'm watching this very closely, and yeah, will be interesting to see which camp will be in the right camp. But the most important is that you make money all the way along. It doesn't matter which camp you are. When you're looking at the historical risk levels, so normally if we get a normal good cycle, we are topping out right around the 0.8 to 0.9 levels. This cycle we saw 0.72, so nothing euphoric, nothing crazy. And yeah, at the moment we're sitting right around the 0.425. And yeah, if you think, hey, we are heading more to the upside and the 4-year cycle is broken, you could say we're going to the 0.8 to 0.9. That would mean 0.8 to 0.9, we would ride around 222,000 to maybe 270,000. Personally, I'm not in that camp. But if you're a believer in that theory that the 4-year cycle is broken, that could be your target. On the other side, if you think the 4-year cycle is intact and we are heading straight into the bear market, or we are already in the bear market, yeah, you're looking more on the side of the point 2 level. So if we are looking, the point 2 level is more in the 48 to 55,000 area. That's where my personal target is, also to get more Bitcoin into my long-term holding bags and yeah, refill that bags. So if we are going back to the Bitcoin price on the weekly, what I'm personally interested in price action. So first for the bear cycle, or for the bear, is this vector candle here on the downside. So this is an unrecovered weekly vector candle with right around 52 to 48,000. That would be right around the bear market target with the 0.2 in this area. So that's my personal target, and also the vector candle indicates that that's a very, very interesting level. Also interesting is the 200 weekly moving average right around the 67,000. So when we reach that level, we will also get a relief rally. So that's also a very interesting level. What's also more imminent near to the price is this vector candle here. We also got right around half of it recovered, and so the 80 to 74,000 is unrecovered, so also an interesting level where you need to watch. On the top side, we have the 50 weekly moving average, where we talked about already. So I think personally we are reaching that level at the minimum from here. So if we go a little bit more lower on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we made on the 4-hour chart a multi-time frame W. So very nice. The last one we had was here on the first week of November, but that was not a multi-time frame 4-hour W like here. Oh, 1 second. Like here. So that's a more interesting W. Let's see where the price action brings us. Oh, sorry, let's delete the heat map. So okay, I'm personally long since 84,000. So I'm in the long camp for the moment now. What's interesting is we have the downtrend, obviously, and the 50% area from this downtrend is right around the 100K area, also where the 50 weekly moving average is. So this area is an interesting area for price to reach. When we are going a little bit more into the candles, I will show you the heat map for the 7-day. The 7-day heat map, I marked it already up. You can see here, it's very heaty here at that price action. So right around the 94,000. Interesting. On the downside, we don't have too much orders, and so I think the short orders here will get targeted. Also, I will show you the 1-month heat map. The 1-month heat map is also coincidence with the 7-day heat map, so that's a big chunk of short orders that's right around sitting here. Also with the unrecovered red vector candle here, so that's pretty sure that we will get this order. We will get these orders smashed out, so the long orders will get this at the minimum. When we are looking, also we have here a 4-hour unrecovered vector candle right around the 50 weekly moving average and the 50% of the down move overall. So that's also very interesting. So overall this area here is super interesting. So the price will catch up to it. If we get a rejection from here, we will see. I think so. Maybe more like we going up here, back testing the downtrend, and then going up here into the 618 and the 107 to 110 area. I think also the high of the month sitting right around here. So also unrecovered vector candle here. So I think that will be the turnaround point for this whole upwards movement. Um, but we will see. We will see. I will go here short. I will go here short just to secure my long order that I placed here. So if the market turns around, no problem. I close my long. I run with the shorts, more the trend. But at the moment, I'm more in the camp of we getting a relief rally to the 100K minimum or to the 107 to 110K. And then I will reassess on both on these points, which is the right way. The price action will show it. So more on the top side, I will show you the 3 month. The 3 month is also here a little bit heated at a 116. And obviously, some people made some nice short entries. Yeah, we have here the 3 month with 132 and 135,000. And also the 6 month is a little bit heated here. So I'm also marked it up. I don't think we are getting this far to these orders. I think those shorts are safe and they can run it completely through the bear market. Um, my personal target maximum for this whole relief rally would be right around the 107 to the 110 area. But market will tell me what to do, how to react. Also, what I can show you, what was interesting was 100x orders. So we are 100x people, also long and short orders. They are also stacking right around the 7 day and the 1 month heat map and the vector candle. So this area is super interesting. So that's also why I'm long since here the 84,000 and the nice W on the multi time frame. The Bitcoin delta is right around minus 2.8 billion. So more people are betting on the short side at the moment, which is good when you're long already. And yeah, so I will further assess the price action and yeah, keep you posted. And if you have any questions, if you want that I add something, just pin it, post it. And I hope you got some value from this. And thank you for watching.